So hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Anand. Today we are going to discuss about the question number 5 of exercise 5.1, and previously we have done all four questions of that with all the explanation. So today we are doing question number 5, which is of 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube up to n term. So we don't have n term, so to find n term we know the formula a plus n minus 1 up into d. A n is equal to, where a is the first term, 1 plus n minus 1. Common difference is 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2, so here will be 2. A n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. It will become 2n minus 1. So we know that the question is in cube, so we'll write here cube. We know the formula that a minus b cube is equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So we'll just put the values here. 2n cube minus 3 2n square into 1 plus 3 2n 1 square minus 1 cube. Alright then, 2 cube equals 8n cube minus 12n square. Then first of all we put we apply the square, which will become 4n square. Then 4n square multiplied by 3, so 12n square. So here will be 6n, then here will be 1. So we have got this value. Now we'll just multiply all these terms with summation. So we know that 8 a large bracket n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. It's a formula for cube. Now we have 12, and we'll just put the formula for square. This is a formula for square, and we have the formula for n as well, and n plus 1 upon 2. We have remain minus n, because it doesn't have any power, so we'll just write here n. Now what we have to do is we have to apply the what we say square here. So n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4 minus, we'll just do some cancellation here. 1 2 1 3, here as well 1 2. All right, so 2 and n plus 1, 2 n plus 1 plus 3 n plus 1 minus n. Alright then, so we have remain here 2n square n square plus 2n plus 1. So we have just opened that n plus 1 whole square in a square plus 2ab plus b square. Alright, so minus 2n 2n square minus n minus 2 plus 2n plus 1 plus 3n n plus 1 minus n. So we know that here is the n common, so we'll just take that n common, and we have remained 2n n square plus 2n plus 1. Then we have 2 here, 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1. Then we have remained here 3 n plus 1 minus n. So we'll just multiply all these values. 2n cube plus 4n square plus 2n minus 4n square plus minus minus 2n minus 4n minus 2. Then we have remained here 3n, then plus 3 minus 1. We took the n common, so we'll put here 1. Alright, now n common, then we write here 2n cube plus 4. So we have written all the values here. Now we have to do some calculation here. So we have 2n cube here, and we don't have any other term with the cube, so we just put here. Now we have plus 4n square minus 4n square cancel. We have plus 2n is 2n minus 2n, both cancel. Then we have minus 4n plus 3n equals n minus n. Then we have minus 4 and done. We have done this. Minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, so we have remained this. Now we have got the answer of our question, which is n 2n cube minus n. So we have got the answer here. Now we are moving on sixth question. So here is the question number 6, which is saying 2 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 8 into 3 square. So what we have to do is we have to take these values 2, 5, 8, and their common difference is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Alright, now we have to find the n term. A n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is 2 plus n minus 1, common difference is 3, 2 plus 3 n minus 3, so it will become 3 n minus 1. Now we have this equation, all right, and we know that this term is multiplying by the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so their common difference is 1 obviously. So we'll just put here n square, which is saying it is multiplying with that, and we'll just multiply with that 2n cube minus n square. All right, now what we have to do is we have to multiply all whole term with summation. So we know that 3 summation n square n cube formula is n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Then we have n square formula for that we have um, um, n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. So we know that the formula is, now we'll just apply the all the squares. n square plus n plus 1 whole square. Then we'll just put here 4 and minus, and this term will be the same, so we don't have to write that. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply. If we multiply this, it will become 3n square. If we don't multiply, so we know that we have remaining common, which is n multiplied by n plus 1, which is also here. So we'll just take common that n plus 1 here, and we have remained with 3n, because we have n square here, and n plus 1 upon 4 we have remained that. Now minus, we have remained 2n plus 1 upon 6. So we'll just take the LCM here, n plus 1, here we have 12, 3 3 are 9 n plus 1, and we have 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 multiplied by 2, so it will become 2. Then we have written 2 plus 2n plus 1. All right, n plus 1. Now we'll just multiply all these values. 9n square minus plus 9n minus 4n minus 2 upon 12, and we just do some calculation here. So it will become 9 square minus plus 9 minus 2 upon 12, and here's your answer. You can write like as you want. We can write here like this, n upon 12 n plus 1 9n square plus 9n minus 2. So here's also the answer. I hope you liked the video and learned a lot of things. Comment me down below which question you want the next, and I'll do that as well. Thank you.